Alright, so I found out that one of the blade arms was pitched steep, so I had to bend it back to the best of my ability as I could. Now, I can't get the blade arm to be fully straight because it still wants to go diagonally outward a little, but this is the best I can do. I tried using the rubber mallet and use my effort. It wasn't even worth trying to do this again. I didn't want to risk damaging the blade arms, so I just said, screw it, I'll leave it the way it is. Has the American made all about motor with the 2.5 amp shaded pole motor, 2-speed. It is a 2-speed pull chain. The rotor is 4-blade only. It has ground ball thrust bearings and non-electrically reversible. So I'll go ahead and give you the close-ups. It's got Pecan blades on both sides. Down rod mount. These shaded pole motors tend to be noisy, but this one's a bit quieter. Now we'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with low. This fan does have quite a wobble to it. Again, not perfectly balanced, but at least the pitch is better. This one has a little buzzing noise to it, because typical shaded pole motors. Alright, that's about for low. Now here's high. I think it's starting to get a little bit more faster since the little amount of oil I had probably set in, and I think the low speed gotten a bit more faster, which explains why I'm making another video again. So here it is, this fan once again with the blade arm that got pitched back to the same was, but not perfectly straight. Alright, now go ahead and shut it off and we'll do a spin down. And I did forget to mention in the previous video is that they did the 3-speed shaded pole motor in 1984, 2.5 amp, which they should have started sooner, but they did it in like early 93. It was an overlap between 2-speed and 3-speed. And then they fully released the 3-speed 2.5 amp shaded pole motor originals in 1984, which uses the arcless pole chain rather than a Leviton pole chain. And they also, if I forgot, they had the oscillation ring throughout like in the 80s, mid or early, since they did that to prevent noise vibrations on that. Since this fan, the shaded pole motor originals had a lot of noise vibrations, which is why they did that, due to the criticism, the drawback. I think I want to say early to mid 80s, but I am not sure. But anyways, that's about it with the 52-inch Hunter Robert Demise original in chestnut brown from August of 1981, with the blade arm pitched back to the way it is, but not perfectly straight. But that's the best of my ability as I could. So if you want to see the tag, close up look inside, you can watch the other video before I was able to straighten the blade arm out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.